I'm the head of product here at Curriki, which means that whenever you chat in or give us feedback about the product and how it can enhance your educational goals, I'm one of the people on the other side taking that information and figuring out how we make that happen. So I'm going to do a demo of CurrikiStudio, as well as talk a little bit about CurrikiGo. I'm going to kind of start with a little bit around what the tool is, and then I'll hop right into the program, show you what it looks like, show you a finished example learning experience that I've created, and then I'll show you how I did it. So a couple things to know. One, I am not an instructional designer. So in terms of creating the actual content, we've created the tools to empower instructional designers to do the work. I'm also not a technologist. So the cool thing about demoing this is that you know that me building this, I didn't have to write a line of code. I'm going to walk you through CurrikiStudio, which is changing the way that educational experiences are designed, created, and delivered to a new generation of learners. Why we're building this is because educational resources, just like you heard from Scott, should be open, free, and easy to create. We've realized in the past 12 years of doing this that educational resources aren't interactive by design. There's a lot of really great quality content out there, but it's stuck in paper and pencil, worksheets, PDFs, and Google Docs. Also, if you're a content author, a teacher, or subject matter expert, building a learning experience from scratch can be technical and expensive. Current digital courseware isn't designed for the world in which we're moving towards with virtual and distance learning. So we want to bring that tool set of interactive activities to the learner. Our partners are full of ideas and really range the gamut. So we've created Studio purpose-built to work for K-12 institutions, higher ed, trade schools, corporate training, nonprofits, subject matter experts, basically anybody with an idea on how to engage learners and wants to make that interactive. So that's what I'm going to show you today is CurrikiStudio, which is powering the world's most immersive learning experiences. So again, without any coding knowledge, content authors can build engaging lessons, courses, and experiences all for free. I'm going to show you how we design, build, and then publish that. The other main driver for why we wanted to build CurrikiStudio is that there are over 200,000 different ed tech tools available for teachers to create interactive learning experiences. One of the challenges, though, is that those are all then in siloed solutions that you have to bop back and forth between. With CurrikiStudio, we want to build a one-stop shop of engaging learning activities that instructional designers can pull from and bring in to an immersive and cohesive experience for learners. So what you'll see in CurrikiStudio today is our 40 different learning activity types that range from a memory game to a 360 virtual tour, all the way to essays. And we have an eye towards future integrations of other learning activities that are representative of 21st century learning, critical thinking skills. So things like real-time collaboration, video conferences, badges and leaderboards, VR, AR, and these are going to be tools that are available for content authors to bring together and create a really robust learning experiences that can blow kids' minds. So what I'm going to show you as I jump into CurrikiStudio today is how to create a learning program, how I then use these different learning activity types, add my content to those activities, create a playlist, arrange and rearrange them, and kind of toggle between creation and previewing. And then I'll talk about CurrikiGo, which is our smart publishing system that allows you to distribute your content to your own environment or to a leading learning management system where learners are.